One thing that most people take for granted or had overlooked is asking about the generator. Each condo got a generator just in case there is no electricity. But right now, because there is always electricity, most renters or homeowners forgot to make a follow up or inquire about the generator to the admin office. Now, what happens if the admin does not maintain or does not, uh, or maybe took for granted also the idea of maintaining a generator? Now, what happened with some condominiums who got no functioning generator is that when there is no electricity, people who are staying on the top floors like 20th floor, 19th, 17th, they really go down the building using the stairs. So imagine yourself, there is no electricity, it is all dark, and then you go from the top down to the ground floor or to the lobby just using your flashlight and the stairs. So it's just like going back to the COVID or Odette, the time of Odette where there is no electricity. So before you rent a place, and I need to admit that I have to talk about the generator with the admin if they are functioning before I offer the unit. Or if you want to offer the unit, you should tell the tenant that the generator is not functioning. Now, what happened with one of the condos who lost electricity is that it was only during this time when there is no electricity and the elevator is not functioning that I knew that the generator is not well maintained by the admin and it is not functioning, because I don't know how they are going to maintain the generator, but they should maintain it maybe once a week or something. And it so happened that the building did not maintain its generator. So guba ang generator, here comes no electricity for the whole building, and the tenants or the homeowners were using the stairs from the top to below. So that is why from then on, from this day forward, I am going to tell the tenant or the renter before they move in or during the discussion that this building got no generator. So because it is low price, low rent, and the tenant would still want to rent the condo, then it should be in writing that they already know that the condo got no generator, got no functioning generator. So if ever there is no electricity, then they already know what to do. So it is really very difficult. I just realized how important it is to know that the generator is functioning, especially condos. Not so much with houses, because houses are kind of like, if townhouse, it's like 2 stories, so okay lang. But the condos, if they are living on the top floor, 17th, 18th, and 20th, 19th, that's a big problem, no? Kaya even myself, I don't want to be put under that situation where there is no electricity and I have to go down by foot using the stairs.